Today I'm going to teach you how to make your Twitch stream beautiful for free. We're going to be using free images, graphics, animations, and different things available from Streamlabs and Streamelements to get this done. Enjoy. Hey everyone, Navid's back, and today I'm here to show you how to get a really amazing, beautiful looking Twitch stream for absolutely free. First way we're going to show you is with Streamlabs OBS. Now Streamlabs OBS is streaming software. If you do not have it, you can go to my download link. It is the affiliate link down in the description. Downloading from that link does support me, so I would appreciate it if you did it from there. And download Streamlabs OBS and get it installed. Now, how do we make our stream look absolutely beautiful? Let's go into method number one. So after you install Streamlabs OBS, you will see in your dashboard over here all of the stuff that is in your regular OBS or regular Streamlabs page. We're going to go to the themes section and check out what they have for availability. Now look at this, a beautiful theme store for, guess what, absolutely free. Now all of these designs are available, but there is something that you need to know. There is a difference between just a theme and a widget theme. A widget theme is a little bit different than just a theme, and I'll show you how they both work. But essentially what a widget theme is it takes the components of Streamlabs features such as alert boxes, goals, event lists, jars, chat boxes, donation tickers, all of that, and it lets you customize styling for it. So if we take a quick look at minimal RGB, you'll see that the event list over here on the left hand side looks like this. The chat box has this white background. The ticker up here looks like this. The goals, this is how they've been reformatted. So that is the widget themes, but we also have the themes themselves. As I was saying, we have different themes for your scenes available. So this will create a multitude of different scenes in OBS for you that you can switch through depending on your purpose. So if you have a starting, or if you're just starting your screen, you might want to run your starting soon scene. Let's go ahead and find one of these scenes to install quickly. We'll just pick one at random here. Maybe this is a nice looking scene because it's got a lot going on, a nice overlay. So let's install this. We will install this overlay, and we're going to try to find a matching widget set and see if we can get ourselves a beautiful theme in our scene collection really quick. Now if you're thinking, how am I installing this while recording? It's because I'm using another piece of recording software, Streamlabs, or just regular OBS to record while Streamlabs OBS is installing. Okay, we're installed. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of our things. Okay, pretty cool. We actually have pretty awesome scenes already pre-created for us. So now what do we do if we want to use these? We can set hotkeys to switch between these scenes, but that's not what I'm going to get into right now. I'm going to show you how to edit this really quick. We'll go in here. If you want to edit what your Instagram name is, you open up your scene. You open up the social media folder, open up the text, start changing things, start adjusting your scene as you see fit. So I'm gonna create this starting soon scene, and actually I like this. I like the way this is turning out, so I might just use this. Starting soon, subtitle, Navits, and we are looking good. Okay, so we've got our starting soon scene now in our live scene. This is good. And now what we can do is take our game and put it behind this. This is where you would put your webcam. This is the defaults for it. I'm not going to change that right now. Starting soon scene is created, and I could edit these as well if I wanted to, and suddenly I have all of the basics that I need to have for a stream. But this isn't enough. There's other things that I see other people have all the time, and what are those? Those are the things that I mentioned earlier. Actually, I don't know if I mentioned them. The widget themes. Let's get into them. I did mention them. We're gonna find something that's a little bit matching to the one that we have, and all of these here look pretty good. So I would like to find something that can basically give us a little bit of everything. Now, which one of these widget themes do I think would be super cool? Let's go ahead, and I think I know which one I want. We'll do Kevin's theme. We'll do Kevin's theme because this is a Streamlabs theme. We're going to select all of these widgets, and we're going to install them all right away. Now, all of the donation or all of these different widgets are going to be installed. Notice that when I installed, I clicked select all over here, and it brings us to our screen. And take a look, it has put all of the widgets on our screen for us, and they are available for us to mix, match, and overlay in whichever way we see fit. So down here I have my stream boss. Over here, this is a credits scene right here. There is a viewer count up here at the top right, the Twitch and YouTube viewer count. A chat box is available right here. Above the chat box, or below the chat box at the very bottom of the stream, you can see a donation ticker. The jar for bits is right here, so bits will fall into this jar. We can test this actually in a second, we will. The event list is right here. The donation goal is top left right here. And the alert box is right here over top of the main part of the screen, and we're going to test the alerts. Now, how do we test alerts? At the bottom right of the application, right where my webcam is. Let's see if I can't move myself a little bit. Give us some vision here. Navid's webcam scene. Okay, test widgets. And I will click bits. Douche. So here we go. Navid's cheered 100 bits. You can see I have a custom bit alert. That was a nice notification. That was a cool little animation. And suddenly I have everything, every little component I need to have my own customized stream. Now, if I want to make a new scene for something different, let's say I just want to make one for between or intermission. A lot of people have intermission screens. This one doesn't. I can take the components from this scene and I can start copying them over. So I can recreate these things. If I need to take my webcam box, I can find out what my frame is. I can click on it and we can add this frame over on the intermission scene. So let's show you how to do that. I would add, it was a image, I believe. Yes. And we will add source, webcam frame, add existing source. It is pretty big. We can shrink it, and then you add your additional components inside of here. So everything is available in your sources. You can mix and match it, make your own scene however you would like. So let's say maybe I want this one to be an intermission scene right here, and I want to put on the right hand side the widgets, which are all available here. I want to put, let's say, my chat. Where's my chat? My chat box. I will add this existing chat box scene. I will make it a little bit smaller. And now I have an intermission scene with my chat. And it's super basic, but this would work. And now I could put a background behind this. I could do whatever I want to customize this and make it look like mine. I could put my logo around it. I could add more widgets, which I probably would. I would probably want something else. Maybe you want your bit goal on this scene. I don't know if there's an existing bit goal right now. There's not. Let's add a donation goal instead. Or I'll add the donation ticker. Add the source, add existing source. Donation ticker is going to come up at the top here. Resize it to fit your stream. Whoops, having a little bit of technical difficulty there. There we go. And my donation ticker is now on the bottom. So that is how you customize a OBS stream for yourself. A stream for yourself. This is using Streamlabs OBS. You can do other things with this. I have another video on how to mix and match your widget components together. If you're looking for how to do that, watch that video. We're gonna go ahead and get into other ways that you can customize your stream. So this isn't the only thing you can do. It doesn't all rely on Streamlabs OBS, which the affiliate link is in my description. It doesn't all rely on Streamlabs OBS. Like, this is what this does is this this downloads and installs a bunch of images and little motion graphics and things like that on your hard drive and just includes them by default. So you can do this yourself. You can put anything you want in as a background. So for example, let's say I wanted to add my own background. I can click add image. I will create a new source and I will call this one Navid's image, and I will click add source, browse, look for a file, and check this out. Maybe I like this background right here and I decide I want to use this one because I have a background that I've made for myself. Now suddenly I'm using the widget components from this stream sorry, I'm using the widget components from this theme. I'm using the my own custom background, and I'm starting to make my own scene. So now my intermission scene's looking a little bit different, and I can keep adding things and changing it up in that way. Now here's your alternative. You don't use Streamlabs and you use StreamElements instead. I have personally not tried OBS Live yet, but I will be doing that soon. However, this method for installing themes is for web-based installations of themes, and I will explain what that means in a second. But essentially it means that you're installing your graphics through browser sources instead of images and files on your computer, because your browser can install or can include images and audio sources and actually have programmed events going off inside of the browser source. Sometimes it gives it a little bit more there's trade-offs for using a browser source versus static files. Now let's go ahead and take a look at one of these themes. I will create a snow globe static super theme. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I'm going to create the overlay, and I'm going to install this theme or just start using this theme in the OBS instance, or Streamlabs OBS instance that I was running before. So I'm going to create the overlay. I'm going to call this Navit's video demo. Create my overlay. Okay, now I have all of these things done. This was created, and this basically links me each full scene as an overlay to be included as a browser source. So I'm going to copy this to my clipboard. I click right here, and I can see these themes in my overlay, but I'm not going to do that yet. I'm going to copy it to my clipboard just to show you how we do this. We're going to go back over here. We're going to add a brand new scene. Again, we're going to call this scene Stream Elements. We're going to click done. We're going to go over here. We're going to add a new source, and now this is going to be a browser source. So I'm going to open up a browser source, and I'm going to call this one, what was this one called? This one is called in-game. So we will call this in-game. Add new source, link the URL. Set your resolution to 1920 by 1080. So you will do that here. After that is done, if you're streaming in a higher resolution, this will be huge, or a lower resolution, this file or this image, this in-game browser source will be too big. You'll have to shrink it. So shrink it to size your screen, or if you're streaming in 1080p, that will fit properly. And you can see here we have an in-game scene. Now I can do stuff. Obviously my webcam is supposed to go inside of here, and there's a cool little thing down here. If I added a source here, I could add a browser source real quick, and not a browser source, a display capture. I can add a display capture, add existing. Oh, cool. And it is actually slightly too big, so I'm going to do that shrinking thing that I talked about before, and we're going to move this over here, and we're going to make it bigger. And that is actually my other screen with the video editing that I am doing for this video. So you can see right here that if I put my webcam as a video source right here, I could be recording this video in that software. So let's get real trippy for a quick second and put this over here, and now we have me a whole bunch of times and multiple versions of Inception. Okay, but that's how you use Streamlabs OBS Themes. So we're going to take that display capture off, and we're going to see what else is available in here and how these work. So we've added the first ones, not Streamlabs OBS, StreamElements. We've added the first one. We're going to see what the rest of these look like. Like if I wanted to add this one here, this is the snow globe end scene, and this actually looks really cool. So I'm going to launch it in the overlay. You can launch it in the overlay as well to see what it'll look like, and basically it's going to put this whole website, this website with this background, this animation, everything, it's going to put it as the browser source again that we've already done here. So we've got one. Let's open it and let's try to test it out, see if we can launch the overlay editor. So this is the StreamElements web-based editor for your themes. So as you can see, it's a very similar concept, except for instead of being on your local system being edited inside of OBS, Streamlabs OBS or OBS Studio, we're editing this on a web page. And this as you can see, this does have some advantages and disadvantages. One thing I do really like about StreamElements is that it's cool to test events. So I'm actually going to test one of these events, and we're going to see all the kinds of things that this has done for us in Streamelements. I'm gonna open up this browser source, and we'll look at it from here. So I'm gonna click this button here. We're gonna emulate a host event. No, we're gonna emulate a cheer event for 5K. We're gonna click that. It shows up here. There it is at the top right, a brand new theme. A cheer event goes off, Christmas themed. It looks absolutely amazing. And as you can see, we have built ourselves a Streamelements Christmas themed theme. And we could use this to stream as well if we wanted to. Looking in depth, let's take a look at some of the options that we have here. I'm not going to go through this whole editor because it has quite a bit of configurability, but in here you can move things around. I'm not going to play too much with it. I don't really care about this theme, so I don't care if it breaks, but you can move things, add different elements, add widgets. As I was talking about before with widgets in Streamlabs, in Streamelements, widgets are similar. They have them as browser sources though, and they do have some different ones. Some of them are very similar. The hype cup and the bit cup, the alert boxes are similar. The hype boss, the stream boss, the redemptions, all that kind of stuff. Media sharing, that's all very similar. Cheer goals, follower goals. You can add any of these things. Kappa Gen is unique to Streamelements. It is letting emotes populate all across your screen. And let's go back to the theme gallery and show off everything that is available from Streamelements. So what we just saw was a super theme. A super theme is like a souped up version of one of their themes. It comes with 5 overlays that can be used in different scenes in OBS. They have regular themes as well. If you want something a little bit more simple, you can install their regular themes. They're still very, very good. And you can also now install alerts. So similar to widget profiles, they now have alerts which are available in Streamelements at this moment. Let's go back and do a quick recap of Streamlabs. So Streamlabs has scene themes and widget themes, which are available in the themes section of their Streamlabs OBS software, which you can download in my affiliate link. Last time I'm gonna say it supports me. Please do it if you're gonna install this. Or guys, I know I shouldn't talk about this because this video was for free stuff, but there is now a brand new app store where you can install tools to help make your stream better, and this includes overlays, advanced overlay makers, different types of apps that are being created and included inside of Streamlabs OBS. And that pretty much covers it all. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys learned something and are now able to make yourself a beautiful, amazing, fantastic, elegant, ugly, whatever kind of stream theme you want to have. I hope you can do it. My name is Navitz. If you are interested in watching Dota 2 gameplay, twitch.tv/Navitz. Like if you like the video, subscribe to get more, and leave a comment or any type of suggestion or feedback that you got in the comments section. Peace out, guys. Check out my other videos as well. There's more information. I'll see you guys next time.